Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel. And yes, today I am introducing you Baldy Bear collection from MAC. It's an exclusive collection for Nordstrom. Remember, if you don't have a Nordstrom credit card, you can purchase this collection July 15. Who has a Nordstrom credit card, this collection will be available early to you. It's different, but I'm not gonna talk about this. Look at this eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette I already have on my eyes, and I will teach you step by step how to use. This collection also have exclusive merchandise, exclusive prices. Look at this bag. Most important, how to use this beautiful eyeshadow palette. I love this palette. Looks amazing on my eyes. Okay, let's do it. Let's start. All products will be available to everyone July 15, but if you have a Nordstrom credit card, check out what level you are. You can always reach me on Instagram, on my YouTube, and let me know if you like this eyeshadow, if you like my collections, this limited edition collection. I can send you home and it's free shipping if you live in United States. Okay, let's do it. Let's start it. We have with you this beautiful eyeshadow palette. We have in this kit mascara full size and the iconic eye pencil. It's color Teddy. As I said, I believe it's $45. If you pay separate, it's $83. It's a good deal. Girls, are you ready? I hope you like this video. Please give me thumbs up, comments below. I'm working very hard, right? Okay, let's see what colors we're gonna use. Let me come close to you. Okay, I already have my favorite primer from MAC on entire my eyelid. Okay, let's use this palette. Amazing palette. First color, we're gonna use this light color, and yes, we are using this amazing eyeshadow brush, which one we have special kit. First color we put close to eyebrows, it will lift my eyes, and second, same eyeshadow we're using on my entire eyelid. Ooh, my eyes look so lifted. Now we're gonna use this color. It's a lighter color, it's a matte color. Next to first one, which one we use, and I'm gonna use is my middle color. So far, I'm very happy with just two colors. My eyes looks really natural, really pretty. Now I'm gonna use this beautiful, like it's a goldish khaki color, and looks like so pretty. It's like it's a little metallic here. Nice, very nice combination. We have, we'll say, like neutral matte color here. We have like now khaki color with gold, and it looks so pretty. Now I'm gonna use this beautiful angle brush, and I know burgundy colors will always look pretty on me, and this is like a burgundy purple color here. I'm gonna use underneath. Now it's time to use this amazing eyeliner from MAC, which one we have in a kit, and it's color Teddy. I have eyeliner on top, but I want to make a little bit more eyes, little bit more smoky, little bit more flirty. Same this purpley, burgundy purple eyeshadow. I'm just gonna apply close to my lash line on top of Teddy eyeliner. What it does, eyeliner not gonna run, it's gonna stay all day long. Now I'm gonna clean a little bit my brush, and we're gonna use this beautiful, it's like a brown with little bit shimmer color. So far eyeshadow looks beautiful. I really like this eye look. You can see how this eye, it's lift, it's pop. It's just like this one, it's pretty, but it's something missing, and this one, it looks amazing. Yes, I know we need a little bit eyeliner still there, mascara and primer. My eyes look so pretty. I did use liquid eyeliner on top, and I just in love with this combination. You know what, I have a clean brush. Let me little bit blend here. I feel like I need blend a little bit more. And you know what, I'm gonna use a little bit this brown color underneath, little bit to smudge, and I don't want a too harsh line, but ooh la la, blush. All these products looks amazing. I am absolutely in love with this palette. And now let's do mascara. This Attire kit have mascara. Yes, it is like a small spooky brush. No, sorry, it's not small brush. It's, I will say, bristles, little bit small and tiny, but we'll see how I like it. Ooh, it's a good separation. Wow, it's a very nice mascara. I show you how to use eyeshadow, I show you how to use brushes, I show you how to use setting mist. I'm serious, coming to you a little bit more close. Look at my face, glowing, beautiful. Eyeshadow looks vibrant. It does have shimmer, but I will not say it's screaming, and I look beautiful. But this thing, comments below, please give me thumbs up. All these products, remember, it's exclusive, created for Nordstrom. Yes, we are gonna have, or we already have, I don't know when this gonna video released, for anniversary biggest Nordstrom sale, and we have dates when it's available for Nordstrom customers, because who has a Nordstrom credit card or debit card, they will purchase this palette, this whole entire collection first. July 15 will be available this collection for people who don't have Nordstrom credit card. Remember, and of course July 15 you can shop online, it's free shipping. And now it's time for lips. I have right now lip collection, and this is lip collection. One it's pink, one it's neutral. It's coming with full-size lipstick, full-size lip gloss and lip liner. It's $35 for 3 items. If you pay separate, it's $75. And you know what, I'm gonna use essential pink kit color. Let's see how it's gonna look on me. I have only lip liner on my lips, and my lips look so good. Okay, what's color in here? Soar. Oh wow, I'm not sure if I pronounce correct, but it remembers it's a pink kit. Love. And now let's use a lipstick. I definitely choose a right color. Lipstick have a pretty good color, but it's not like too dark or too bright. It looks so pretty natural. And let's use little lip gloss. Oh, it's a full-size lip gloss, remember. Lip gloss little bit more matte finish, and it's not little bit, it is matte finish, and feels so good on my lips. Girls, I'm serious, this collection is amazing. I hope you enjoy this Baldy Bear collection I introducing you. Please subscribe, comments below, and of course I wanna know what next video you want me to make, what products, what brand, and I review, and remember here only luxury brand or luxurious brand we carry at Nordstrom. Okay, love you more than ice cream, and I will see you in my next video.